A few hours north of the Java Sea, we now join 4 wingsuit flyers as they plan to descend over one of the world's most beautiful volcanoes, Mount Bromo. For Marco Waltenspiel, Georg Lettner, Marco Fürst, and Dominik Reutmeier, the 2,392-meter active volcano has inspired them to see it like no one has before. But it's a risky undertaking. A practice jump will be needed first.
Mount Bromo here in Indonesia is such an incredible playground for us. I mean, just look around. There is an active volcano. We have a lot of beautiful hills around here, and yeah, I mean, it's just so many possibilities for us.
When you jump out and focus on the flight, the time stops. And this is when the beauty of the place really hits you.
The volcano is sacred to the native Tengger people, who've been worshipping here for hundreds of years. And the wingsuit team plan to make their own special tribute for all to appreciate.
We could feel the energy of the volcano and see inside the amazing crater. We could even smell the sulfur, and it was just an amazing connection to our planet.
In this stunning and heart-stopping maneuver, 2 of the team attach in mid-air to reveal their tribute to the volcano and the country. An Indonesian flag.
It was such an adventure. To show our sport and its variation over an active volcano was just an amazing privilege.